The world is full of money gurus. Chapter 1. The Hype Fraud of Financial Literacy Money Education. I don't like any money guru. I don't like any money gurus because money is a basic concept to learn. Don't pay anyone for money education or listen to anyone as though they're a guru like Dave Ramsey, who markets himself as a Christian money guru, daveramsey.com. I learned about money from the books at number 332 at the library. I couldn't imagine wasting my time listening to all those phony money gurus on YouTube. If somebody wants money to teach you about money, get a few of the hundreds of books at number 332 at the library. All investment is a risk. The stock market always goes down. That's a big secret very few rookies ever investigate. The TV money networks have to be bullish on stocks. If they weren't, they wouldn't have a job. The truth is that every several years the stock market goes down and wipes out at least half of all the gains it made in the previous several years. It's regular like clockwork. Real estate is a hassle too. You can make money in real estate if you buy a nice duplex or a small apartment, get some good tenants and nothing ever breaks or wears out. There are loads of bad tenants. You have to pay when the furnace breaks, the toilet gets clogged up, etc. Personally, I like my free time. I saved my money. I don't make much interest in my savings bonds/GICs, but I have peace of mind. I live modestly. My time is mine. There are plenty of free books at number 332 at the library, not to mention the money magazines. I was a landlord until I got tired of all the scum people I had to deal with. I was ripped off several times. People leave in the middle of the night. People steal anything from light bulbs to electric outlet covers. People destroy apartments to get back at a landlord they don't like. People smoke cigarettes and drugs, thereby leaving an apartment smelly. Some people want peace of mind. Life is really meant to do something worthwhile you love to do to earn a living. The purpose is not just to make money. I had a neighbor who was way more invested in the stock market than I was. He used to tell me I made money on this and that, then the stock market crashed big. I didn't see him much. I went over one day. He is in his basement on his computer looking at stocks. What a stupid life. Gambling on stocks. It doesn't add anything to life itself. I watched Citizen Kane last night. Kane marries the Dipsy girl. She has some good dialogue near the end about living in a big empty mansion. Money doesn't make you happy. What you do day by day does. What do you really need? Not that much. Financial security is good, but beyond that, it's a waste of effort if you are wasting time doing stuff you don't want, like looking for a good investment, being a landlord for scary tenants who you don't like, etc. When I studied money, I went to number 332 at the library. There are hundreds of books there. You don't need to listen to any money guru, especially if they want money like online. Summary of the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, 1997. selfdevelopmentsecrets.com/rich-dad-poor-dad-summary. Rickadad.com. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/rich_dad_poor_dad. goodreads.com/book/show/69571.rich_dad_poor_dad. samuelthomasdavies.com/book-summaries/business/rich-dad-poor-dad. wikisummaries.org/wiki/rich_dad, poor-dad. Robert Kiyosaki has some free articles. rickadad.com/resources/articles. There is rickadadeducation.com, where his people sell education for stock and real estate success. These are live events. Robert Kiyosaki doesn't attend. He's got a YouTube channel at youtube.com/rickadadeducation with short older videos on it. He's current at facebook.com/Robert Kiyosaki. Listen for free at rickadad.com/radio. Twitter at @TheRealKiyosaki. Instagram at @TheRealKiyosaki. The book is about either working for others, poor dad, working for yourself, rich dad. His idea is that you can get a job, pay your bills, have some disposable income and work every day, or you can work for a while to get started, save some money and make it work for you, as in stock or mutual fund investing, real estate investing, investing in a business, starting a business. Here are his ideas from the book. Learn about money or financial literacy. I say go to number 332 at the library. Make some money, then have it work for you, usually in stocks, real estate, precious metals investing. Start a business or invest in a business. Understand money. Realize where you're spending money. Save it. Just because you're making good money as a doctor, lawyer, etc., don't not pay attention to it. Know your debts, your budget, etc. He says invest in something. The rich are able to avoid lots of taxes through corporations. Kiyosaki tells people to be bold, but the average working person or family, first of all, doesn't have much disposable income, and secondly, I don't trust any investment bullshit out there. I've seen it all go up and down. They're all dreamers, living for a day when they think they will be rich. Life is right now, what you do. The way I invested was I went through at least 20 money magazines and newsletters to find what they said were the best stocks, and I lost money. Very few people except for insiders know the future. Very few people predicted the meteoric rise of Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, etc. Money in your hand is worth way more than investing it and losing it. Chapter 1, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Chapter 2, The Rich Don't Work for Money. Chapter 3, Why Teach Financial Literacy. Chapter 4, Mind Your Own Business. Chapter 5, The History of Taxes and the Power of Corporations. Chapter 6, The Rich Invent Money. Chapter 7, Work to Learn, Don't Work for Money. Chapter 8, Overcoming Obstacles. Chapter 9, Getting Started. Chapter 10, Still Want More? Here are some to-dos. I say learn about money, save it, don't trust any investment anywhere by anyone. Watch American Greed. There are free episodes at swatchseries.to. The Rich Dad Contrarians. I typed Robert Kiyosaki fails into a search engine and got these articles. The Ultimate Hypocrite, Robert Kiyosaki and his companies. thecollegeinvestor.com/4726/ultimate-hypocrite-Robert-Kiyosaki. 7 reasons why Robert Kiyosaki cash flow quadrant is wrong. jetroolo.com/7-reasons-Robert-Kiyosaki-cashflow-quadrant-wrong. Robert Kiyosaki is a scam? Yes, he is, in my opinion. ethanvander.com/2014/01/Robert-Kiyosaki-scam-artist-yes-opinion. Deconstructing Robert Kiyosaki, The Simple Dollar. thesimpledollar.com/deconstructing-Robert-Kiyosaki. Donald Trump's Success Books. Donald Trump is a talker and a showman. There is a documentary about him with the guy that ghost wrote his book The Art of the Deal. That's the real Donald Trump, a liar or delusional showman. I give him credit for not letting negative criticism get to him. He talks a lot about his life experiences with rose-colored delusions, portraying himself as better than he actually is, but all of us are like that. Donald Trump says go into business, do your own thing. Every situation is unique, which is why you cannot follow what other people did in other situations. Vigilante.tv, a free guy. He's a Canadian living in Acapulco. He posts up videos on his own website because YouTube was censoring him too much. About 20 people post videos there too. These people think outside the system. Vigilante.tv. Anarchapulco.com. How to make money anywhere. Have a skill that not many people can do that's kind of hard, like website designer, computer fixer, plumber, electrician. The more difficult the task, the more money you get. Being able to do what others cannot is what makes you valuable. The more difficult and in demand your skills are, the higher your pay will be.